At the time of recording this video, I'm 27-year-old, but if I could go back in time and give advice to my 20-year-old self on how to learn digital marketing, avoiding all the mistakes which I made as a digital marketer, here's what I do. See, digital marketing isn't what people think, especially in today's day and age. If you see what people are doing, especially the Gen Z, they are buying the courses of 20,000 where it says that they'll become digital marketer in just 6 months. Now, the problem with these courses is they'll only teach you the basics of posting on Instagram, understanding all the basics of how algorithm works, or in most cases, they may teach you on how to go viral or running ads. But the reality is digital marketing is totally opposite of that, and it is more than what they teach you. There are a lot of skills, experience, as well as an entire mindset shift requires in order to become a digital marketer. And in today's video, I'm going to share my own story as well as break down some of the things which I wish I knew when I was starting into digital marketing. Number one, certificate don't guarantee jobs. Now, what is happening in today's day and age, or you can say in today's marketing world, what people are doing is they are taking Google Ads certification by doing the basics on Google Digital Garage. They are taking certificate from HubSpot, SEMrush, or many other tool. They are using a basic platform to learn the overview, or you can say the basics of digital marketing. And they are expecting that they are going to get the jobs. But the reality is, guys, it's totally opposite. You cannot get the job, or forget about basic internship. And this is the same mistake I made when I was applying for the jobs. When I was switching my career from being CS to being digital marketer, I tried learning the digital marketing using Google Digital Garage. And I can tell you that I think 90% of people who are learning digital marketing, or in past, couple of years, when there were not many courses or famous courses, people used to rely on Google Digital Garage. They used to spend a lot of time on doing these courses on Google Digital Garage, and then they used to expect that they're going to get jobs. But long story short, certificate, especially this certificate, cannot guarantee your jobs. What you need to do is you need to understand the practical part of digital marketing. You need to start building portfolio. I've recently created this video called using framework to create your own portfolio in digital marketing. Go and watch that video and understand how you can create portfolio. Now, it's not just about creating a portfolio. You have to learn the practical side of digital marketing. And that is the part what beginners are missing these days. They are just taking the basic certificate from this platform and they are expecting the jobs. Second point is learn the digital marketing language, and that is the digital marketing lingo. Now, out of 100 people, I can tell you in digital marketing, they don't even know the basics of some of the KPIs which you need to understand when you're running lead generation campaign or e-commerce campaign. Whenever you start your digital marketing journey, these lingo, like CPC, CTR, ROS, KPIs, these things are something which is very basic. And anywhere you go, whether you're going to work with a startup or any company, they expect you to understand these basic digital marketing lingo, or you can say digital marketing terms. Now, for this as well, I've created a video where I've explained every digital marketing terms in detail. If you want to get that document, you can see the description and you'll be able to find all the digital marketing terms which you need to understand as a beginner, or even if you are an expert, you need to understand these terms. So watch that video or see that document for more information. Number third, you will need to wear multiple hats. And when I say wearing multiple hats, all I'm saying is that you need to work in multiple departments, especially when you're starting your digital marketing journey. I meet a lot of people who say that they have done Facebook ads certification. They have spent 5 years or 2 years into Facebook ads, and now they don't want to switch. Now, the reality is, see, if you're not able to switch, or if you're not able to work on multiple parts, you'll only able to work on client side. You're not able to work with an agency, and you're not able to grow as a digital marketer. Because in 2025, you need to become a full stack marketer. And a full stack marketer, I told you, is someone who learn a mix of all the skills that can be copywriting, graphic designing, SEO, paid ad, email marketing, and much more. So it's not about learning everything, becoming master of everything, but understanding entire funnel and taking control of the entire funnel. So early on, when you start your digital marketing career, it is very important for you to understand and at least know the basics of all those aspects in digital marketing. Number four, understanding how to prepare report. And I would say this is the one skill which is very underrated. People often ignore, and people who are into digital marketing from last 2 to 3 years, they ignore this very important skill. And I was one of them when I was starting. I spent almost 1 to 2 year understanding that, or I mean, ignoring that fact that I don't have to prepare report because this can be done by my manager. So I was not very focused on understanding report and preparing the report. But the way to grow in digital marketing, if you really want to become part of the managerial role, you need to understand how to prepare the report. And as a beginner, if you're not aware about the template, if you don't know how to follow certain SOPs, I have a tool that can be very helpful, and that is DataBox. DataBox can help you to prepare any kind of report. All you have to do is you have to attach your website, or you can say the reporting material, and DataBox will help you to prepare the report. Along with that, I created the entire spreadsheet of every report which you need to prepare in digital marketing. So you can see that in the description. Again, I've prepared and kept every resources in the description for you so that you can go and start implementing of whatever you're saying in this video. Number five and very important point in digital marketing is that you need to understand that results takes time, and you need to understand this fact from your side, as well as you need to prepare yourself in such a way that you will able to explain the same fact to your client as well as to your manager. That in digital marketing, it is quite obvious that results sometimes may take time. SEO can take months and months. Your audience building can take almost an entire year. And if you're running ads, the lead quality, the conversion, everything will take time. Number six and very important point is in digital marketing is that the industry changes very fast. Now, if you observe from last 24 hours, ChatGPT has literally revolutionized the entire marketing world by the new feature of Ghibli, where people are converting their images and they are showcasing. And every company, if you see right now, they are trying to get into that trend, and they are adjusting their campaign, or they are trying to target new audience because of these features. So as a digital marketer, it is very important for you to be in that trend as well as keep learning so that you will able to always stay on the curve. And number seven, last but not least, is learn the fundamentals of marketing. And before going to point number seven, I have a quick announcement for you that I have created a private community for people like you who are starting your career into digital marketing. This community is totally free and available for people who are willing to put the work, because in this group we are posting all the important content which is useful in digital marketing, as well as all the latest jobs in multiple markets including UK, Europe and India. So go ahead and join that group. The link of that group is in the description. So in marketing, when you're going to start learning, you need to follow certain fundamental, and that is understanding the marketing basics, understanding definition of marketing, 4 Ps, difference between marketing, advertising and sales, consumer behavior and psychology, which is very important. A lot of people are not aware about it. And then you go and learn the core marketing concepts like market research and competitive research, segmentation, targeting and positioning, that is your STP, branding and storytelling. Again, these are like humongous concept. You're going to spend a lot of time on those. And after that, you're going to focus on marketing books. So in marketing books, I've recommended a lot of books, but if you're a beginner or if you are someone who's trying to get into marketing, I'll only recommend 3 very important books. First one will be This is Marketing by Seth Godin. Second will be Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. And third is Contagious, Why Things Catch On by John Berger. Amazing book on consumer behavior as well as virality. So this is it for today's video. If you like the video, do subscribe and share. And don't forget to join the private community which is created only for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, become a super marketer.